Hello guys, comment nous c'est moi-même encore moi retourner à une autre vidéo pour nous. So là m'a montrer nous même cap marché qui pour faire une visite dans Mexico, nous descendre bateau pour un petit temps, pas pour longtemps. Et nous allons faire une visite dans Mexico, ça c'est Timon moi yo avec belle-sœur, petite li Maril. So Marie pas là les même li pas aller. So nous va pas rester tellement dans nous allons juste visiter quelques côtés après ça. Nous allons visiter plage là et puis après ça pour nous retourner la caille nous. Merci guys d'être que nous allons regarder vidéo nous allons remercier nous allons quitter un mot d'encouragement pour moi même si nous t'ai fait la première vidéo yo so quitter un mot d'encouragement pour moi continuer regarder vidéo pour moi guys continuer partager yo merci en pile merci pour mot d'encouragement que nous t'ai bon dans première vidéo guys moi remercie nous en pile tout guys merci en pile. So je vais mettre musique pour nous attendre parce que je connais nous aimer musique en pile et puis nous allons visiter quelques côtés dans Mexico nous pas aller loin nous allons montrer nous la rue allons montrer nous quelques petites places n'a visiter OK merci en pile guys. Go, Shadley, go.
Please, right here. Get closer, amigos. Excelente. Familia, amigos. First of all, now, welcome. Welcome to this beautiful island, Cozumel, Quintana Roo, Mexico. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sergio, and I'm going to be your guide here in this place. So I'm going to explain to you right now in this small Mayan village, guys, how do we do tortillas and chocolate for you. At the end of this place, guys, this is tequila. I'm going to explain to you guys how do we produce and sell organic and handcraft tequila. So what are you drinking now, senor? It's not the same commercial brand that you guys gonna find in every store. This is real. This is real tequila. This is handmade. Alright? Okay. Even we got flavored tequilas, amigos, and flavored tequilas is just to enjoy. I got coconut, strawberry, almond, and
I don't like this flavor.
You don't like it?
This nothing. This no taste nothing. It's just salty.
Oh, salsa, no meat. It's just pumpkin seeds, tomato, cilantro, and salt.
No
Wanna try? No meat.
No meat?
Pumpkin seeds, tomato, cilantro, and salt.
It's good to try new stuff.
This is
You want spicy?
I want to try everything.
Here, this is the spicy one. This is habanero. No, this is salty. This is tortilla, señorita. You want a one? You want a one, sir? Señorita? Let me know if you guys
Sister.
want one, please. Miss Martha, she's making
Salian.
this is just the napkin.
My newest look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for a year, wanna go like months. Life move fast, and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sipping the mirror, I duck myself.
Additives or something like that, amigos.
Don't need muscle,
Guys,
fuck
this is
my
some
well.
chocolate, please, this way. Yeah, I got different kind of chocolates right here. This is flavored chocolates. Let me show you guys. I got cinnamon chocolate. This is vanilla chocolate, and this is Mexican chocolate because this is spicy. All this chocolate is making with cacao.
You want me to get it?
Just cacao, agave nectar, and the flavor ingredient. Guys, vanilla and spicy, those are my favorite flavors right here. So, guys, just please take a stick. You guys can use one stick by flavor or both sides of the stick. Go ahead, amigos. The spicy one, it's a little bit spicy. Not too spicy, but take
Olive. Foge, we vacances.
Familia. Well, you want the picture first?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. So we're gonna take picture here?
If you want.
Tasha, you want to be on it? La porte photo à vous.
If you want,
Yeah.
if you want
No, but tequila, don't make a
that
tequila.
blanket is a huge fruit, which is this one right here. This is the replica about the pineapple agave. It's that big. It's that size. After 10 years. This
After
is-
10 years, yeah.
So it's just one plant. It's just one fruit.
When
make
they-
the real and original tequila in Mexico.
So they do it with the leaf or the plant?
With the fruit, the first guy to see the plant after 10 years, it's my uncle, and his name is El Timador. El Timador is the man in charge to cut the leaf around the fruit.
Be careful,
Basically,
Shashu,
that
don't
fruit
go right
is
here.
Right in the middle.
In
It's
the
right
middle.
in the center. It is not on the ground. It's not
I
hanging
see,
as an
I see.
apple. It's just the heart of the agave. All right. So, guys, this way, and let me show you
Come
how
on, come
big,
on.
how
Come on,
big is the
guys.
agave after 10 years.
Ok, la guys, nou get arrive longtemps sa. Konya la, nap visite kek bagay an dan ke yo fe. Mese a di se fami ki mette ansam ki fe business sa yo. Wal wan se li bagay, wal mote nou ke li pip, ke yo fe siwo avèk yo pou fe kleren. Nou wal antre kote kleren yo an tou. La explike yo ki jan bagay yo grandi.
Which is inside. And if you see the scars right here, so this is from the leaves being grown.
On that.
Oiga, pita fella, vai essa fella?
Yeah, the tree. This is the plant.
No, mini. Esse vai ser salad boa.
Oui.
Pita.
Yeah.
Dispensa.
Yes. After 10 years.
Só for do agora.
After 10 years, they cut it and they remove.
Une fois petit pon, putain. Une fois petit pon. C'est une fois petit pon.
Yes.
Kebe, yeah. Kebe va pa la ini.
Yeah, this is the starch and yeast. I need to become this in sugar first if I want to do alcohol. So we cooking the fruit 72 hours by steam, and then we smash it, and then we ferment it right here. Okay?
You put it inside.
Just the juice, just the syrup inside. Okay?
Syrup,
Yeah,
syrup,
not the fruit.
Oh, this is the syrup.
You know, we cooking the fruit. We grain the fruit, we smash, we extract the nectar from the fruit, we ferment it right here, and then we distill it, which is that machine. After we ferment it, we put the malt in here, and then we boil it. And what happens in here, we separate impurities and alcohol. Okay. Steam goes up, evaporation, condensation, and drop. Drop by drop by drop, I'm gonna get alcohol here.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over all my killers don't tell. Chateau my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you're the prince and I'm at the bar. Fairy tales, I'm not used to that. Oh, you got me questioning.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me clear.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me clear.
Ok la guys, nou rive nan plaj la. Men nou pral visite plaj la. Gen moun ki ta ben, gen moun ki pa ta ben. Takou mwen men pa ta ben. So lot moun yo ta ben. Men la nou rive plaj la telman sal. So nou pa te ben, nou pa telman rete. Puis nou te juste rive nou fon ti chita. Apre sa nou al la kay nou paske yo di te gen mauvais temps. E sa fe plaj la te sal. pile, li pat même genre avec plage Cayman Island là. Cayman Island sont belles plages, vraiment belles. On place publique pour comment belle comme ça et pas on plage qui paye et plage ça sont plages qui paye lié nous ka comme plage la sale. Li vraiment sale guys, c'est ça que fait belle sem Nathalie pour bien ensemble avec petite lian, yo party bien tellement plage là t'es sale so mais couleur li vraiment sale. So nous va te baigner et puis nous retourner la caille nous. Quand nous va retourner dans bateau pour nous retourner la caille nous en Florida. Ok guys, merci avec tout le monde qui va regarder vidéo, merci avec tout le monde qui va commenter, merci avec tout le monde qui va j'aime vidéo et qui va partager pour moi. Merci en pile guys, moi remets nous en pile même j'en aurai même non. Ok guys, merci en pile. Enjoy nous avec vidéo et si nous pas aimer tout, nous connaissons toujours aimer dire ça, qui ton petit mémo pas vidéo à dire si nous pas aimer, si nous aimer ou fait me connaître nous aimer. Ok guys, merci en pile. Enjoy.